Hello trophies, welcome to this 5-minute rebounder challenge where we're going to go straight into the lower body and we're going to target all of the muscles using the one single move jump fitness. So here's the move. It's going to be an in and out bounce. We want the chest up, we want the core engaged, chin level, mouth closed. And then we're going to have two strategies that will really help us to connect and activate the muscles. And that's going to be the knee bend. We have to find the perfect knee bend. I want you to explore going as deeply as you can and then stop there when you really feel the muscles activating and firing. And then you can take it to the next level with an internal isometric squeeze. So take a moment right now to see if you can go into those leg muscles and flex them, okay? We're gonna nose breathe, okay? So we wanna find our calm power, we wanna nose breathe, we wanna squeeze, we wanna find the bend in the knees, that's perfect, so we can continue nose breathing and have a heart rate that feels good and the muscles are burning and activating for 5 minutes straight. We don't want the heart rate just blowing out of our chest, and we don't want to feel like we're not getting the challenge. So you got to bend your knees where you want them. You got to squeeze internally just as much as you can to have a happy heart rate and to stay on the beat. 5 minutes, lower body challenge. Are you ready? Let's get it started right now. Here we go. In and out, in and out. Find your knee bend, back straight, core engaged, chin level, mouth closed, internal squeeze. I absolutely have my hands on the bar. I want to be in perfect symmetry. I'm going to offer a breathing suggestion. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Great job. If your thighs burn too much, stand up a little taller. If you're looking for more of a challenge, bend those knees. Feel into this movement. Connect to the feeling in your body, the feeling in your heart. Find that perfect intensity for you, right here, right now. Are you gently squeezing? Great job. Shoulders relaxed. Neck is long. Feet are landing flat into the mat. Great job. Can you feel your glutes activate? Maybe you can squeeze into those glutes and the thighs. We're halfway there. One more minute. You got this. Keep it up. Keep squeezing. Let's go. Ten more seconds. Three, two, one, and done. Health bounce. Keep your mouth closed. See if you can extend your breath. Let's do some butt kicking. 3, 2, 1. Kick, kick. Just to stretch out those quads. Relax the shoulders and neck. Give me a calm, gentle smile. Eyes looking down. Feel the stretch in the quads. Face to the side, forward kicks. Just gentle, light stretch into the back of the legs. You did amazing. I'm so proud of you. What a boost to the metabolism, to our leg strength, to our energy. Let's go. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are looking for consistently released routines from I Jump Instead, check out our membership. We have a $9.99 per month rhythm membership. We drop 2 brand new routines every single week for all levels, 20-minute and 30-minute. These routines are not for newbies. They're for beginners with experience to advanced. Every time we jump on a rebounder, we can bend the knees more or less. We can squeeze harder or lighter. We can tailor every single workout to our personal needs, and we can notice advancement in a repeated routine just by learning the skills of jumping. We're here to teach you how to deeply lengthen when we jump, how to deeply flex when we jump, how to breathe properly when we jump, how to get the most out of our results through mind to muscle connection, through presence, and through a happy heart rate. If you're looking for 7 brand new routines every single week, join our trophy membership. For only $24.99 a month, you get 7 brand new routines to keep you on track, to keep you building your skills, to keep you building your trophy body, so you can maintain your trophy body for life. Check out those memberships. If you see a price discrepancy, it's simple fix. Go to a web browser.com, youtube.com, through Safari, or through Google, or through Chrome. If you're in a web browser and you log into YouTube and you sign up for our membership through a web browser, the fee that you might see in the app disappears. So keep that in mind. Thank you so much for joining this class. Keep it up. I want you to do it several times in the week. Give us a like if you like the routine, comment below, and definitely consider checking out our memberships. Hope to see you in class soon. Take care. Bye-bye.